Namaste. On Mahanavami, we are going to have a talk about the Devi Kavacham by Brahmacharini Sharanya Chaitanya. She studied Vedanta for 2 years, after which she received Brahmacharya Diksha from Pujya Guruji Swami Tejomayanandaji in August 2014. Since then, she has served at Chinmaya Mission in Chennai, Srirangam, Coimbatore, and she is now in Pondicherry. She takes classes on the Bhagavad Gita, Puranas, Itihasas, and conducts regular sadhana camps. She's also been writing a column in the Indian Express Sunday magazine called the Gita Jnana, which is being published since 2008. She was a Kung Fu and Karate practitioner and bringing that flavor to this talk. Over to you.
Hari Om. So many things are happening in quick succession. After the Devi Mahatmyam talk, and then there was a program down. Welcome to all. Whoever is here, I'm not able to see. I don't know how many of them are there. Yes, only both of us.
You can start because it's on Facebook Live also.
Okay, I will begin. So at the end of Navaratri almost, and today is Vijayadashami. Today we are here to speak on Devi Kavacham. Kavacham means a shield. A shield where you cover yourself with. Especially sadhakas who are doing sadhana, practicing japa, dhyana, homa, they are maintaining silence, they're doing vrata. They need to protect themselves with a shield. There are many kavachams, like kavacham means shield. Even in our martial arts, they use kavacham to protect us. When you say, when you are doing a punch, you give a punch. But then our kavacham is to defend and block. So Devi Kavacham is one way by which we take the energy of Devi and put it around us like a shield. And so this Devi Kavacham is he is being spoken by Markandeya Rishi, and he is asking Brahmaji this question. So let us see a few verses. Atha Devyaha Kavacham Om Asya Shri Chandi Kavachasya Chandi Devi. All over Tamil Nadu and Puducherry, these 9 days, many Chandi Havans have been happening for Devi. The Rishi is Brahma. Brahma Rishihi Anushtuk Chandaha Chamunda Devata Anganya Soktara Mataro Bijam Digbandha Devatas Tattvam. Digbandha means surrounding ourselves and locking the whole space. All these terms are actually very martial arts, because Devi herself has got a lot to do with martial arts only. She's only, if you really want to know the power of Devi, in Devi Mahatmya, you can see how she's pounding with people, how she's using her sound. She's killing the asuras with the sound of hum, and she's creating fire with the sound of, her, the big roar that she's giving. Just like how in karate we say kyai, and then there's a lot of fire, there's a lot of fear that is generated in the opponent. When fear is generated, they cannot think about their other moves. Chamunda Devata Shri Jagadamba Prityarthe Saptashati Pathangatvena Jape Vidhi Yogaha. So this Devi Kavacham is chanted before we do the Devi Durga Saptashati Patha. Markandeya Uvacha Yad Guhyam Paramam Loke Sarva Rakshakaram Drunam Yanna Kasyachid Akhyatam Tanme Bruhi Pitamaha. So Markandeya Rishi is asking Brahmaji, Yad Guhyam Paramam Loke Sarva Rakshakaram Drunam. Kavacham is used as a Raksha. Raksha means Rakshana, protection. Drunam Yanna Kasyachid Akhyatam Tanme Bruhi. O Pitamaha, O Brahmaji, please talk to me about what Kavacham we need to use to take care of ourselves. So Brahmaji is talking about Devi Kavacham now. Brahma Uvacha Asti Guhyatamam Vipra Sarva Bhutopakarakam. There is something which can do upakara to all beings. Devyas, what is it called? Devyas tu Kavacham Punyam Tachrunushva Mahamune. Listen to this Kavacham called Devi's Kavacham, O Mahamuni Brahmaji. Prathamam Shaila Putricha Dvitiyam Brahmacharini. These are the names that we keep reading on WhatsApp and many other messengers today. The 9 days of Navaratri, the 9 names. Prathamam Shailaputri, Dvitiyam Brahmacharini, Tritiyam Chandraghanta, Kushmanda is the 4th one, Panchamam Skandamata, Shashtam Katyayani, Saptamam Kalaratri, Mahagauriti Ashtamam, Navamam Siddhidatri, Navadurgaha Prakirtita. These 9 names are itself a kavacham. Shailaputri, when Durga is born as a baby of the Himalayas. Brahmacharini is when she is going to school, taking her Japamala and Kamandalu and studying the Vedas. Chandraghanta is when she gets married to Shiva. Shiva gives her that Ghanta, Chandraghanta. And then Kushmanda is when she is carrying the whole universe in her belly. Chaturthakam, Panchamam Skandamata. Subramanya is born to her as a son. Shashtam Katyayani. She becomes a mother goddess, the fearful mother goddess. Saptamam Kalaratri. When people are really doing atrocities, committing atrocities, she becomes a fearsome mother. Mahagauri, the very fair one, the very beautiful one who blesses all. Ashtama. Siddhidatri. On the 9th day, Durga is called the one who is the giver of all siddhis or accomplishments. They are the 9 Durgas. Uktan Yetani Namani Brahmanaiva Mahatmana. When these 9 names are chanted, Agninadakya Manastu Shatru Madhye Gatorane. Even if you are burnt by fire, if you are standing in between an army also, Natesham Jayate Kinchit Ashubhambrana Sankate. Nothing will happen to them even in the battlefield. Of course, Devi will give us strength. Battle here means the battles of life. Not necessarily in an army, but in an army also, we need really the kavacham to protect us. We have the material kavacham. We have the material covers that we wear to protect ourselves. We need the spiritual kavacham of Devi. Natesham jayate napadam tasya pashyami shoka dukkha bhayam nahi yaistu bhaktya smrutanunam tesham vruddhi prajayate na apadam tasya pashyami. They don't have any difficulties or any calamities in their life. There is no sorrow. There is no dukkham in their life for those people who chant this Devi Kavacham. Yaistu bhaktya smrutanunam tesham vruddhi prajayate na yetvam smaranti deveshi rakshasetanna samshayah. Whoever remembers Devi in the form of this Kavacham, she is going to protect them. There is no doubt about that. What is this? What are the different forms of this Devi? Preta Samstatu Chamunda. As Chamunda, she is very well established in the Preta, in the dead body. It means in the physical body alone is only a dead body. There is no life to it. But when Chamunda is present in that place, Varahi, Mahishasana, Mahishasana. Varahi is that Devi who's got the Shakti of Varaha. She is sitting on the Mahisha. Aindri Gajasamarudha. The power of Indra, which is there in Aindri, is on the lion, travels on the lion. Vaishnavi Garudasana. The power of Vishnu is called Vaishnavi Shakti. Her asana or her vehicle is Garuda. Maheshwari Vrisharudha. Maheshwari, the power of Maheshwara, is riding on the bull. Kaumari Shikivahana. Kaumari is called the power of Subramanya, Guha, and she rides on the peacock. Lakshmi Padmasana Devi. Lakshmi is there in our heart, in the Padmasana. Padmahasta Haripriya. She is the beloved of Hari and she is having a Padma or a lotus in her hand. Shweta Rupadhara Devi. Ishwari Vrishavahana. The white form of Devi is riding on the bull called Ishwari. Brahmi Hamsa Samarudha. Brahmi is the wife of Brahma. Brahmani Shakti. Her Vahana or the vehicle is Hamsa. Sarva Bharana Bhushita. She's decked with jewels all over her body. Ityeta Matara Sarvaha. Sarva Yoga Samanvitaha. All these are Mataras. The Matas, Matruganas, who fought many Asuras. And they are blessed. They are having in their possession different types of yogas. Yogas means their mind is completely united in the self. Nana Bharana Shobhadya, Nana Ratnopashobhita, Nana Abharana Shobhadya. Just to visualize these forms is so beautiful. Nana Ratna Upashobhita. They're having different types of jewels. Drishyante Rathamarudha, Devya Krodha Samakula, Shankam Chakram Gadam Shaktim, Halam Cha Musalayudam. Today is Ayudha Puja. So here we are reading the weapons of Devis. We are remembering the different weapons of Devi. Shankha, Chakra, Gada, Shakti. Halam is the plowshare. Musala is something like a club. Musalayudam. Khetakam, Tomaram, Chaiva. Parashu is the axe. Pasham is the noose. These are all the different weapons of Devi. Kunta Yudham Trishulam Cha. Sharngam Ayudham Uttamam Kutta Ayudham. Trishulam is the trident. The Trishula. Sharga is the bow. Ayudham Uttamam. Why does she have all these weapons? They always ask, why are your Hindu gods so gory? Why do they have so many weapons? We should be very peace loving. We should love peace and be peaceful in our interactions. But nothing stops us from being a deterrent, from making people preventing people from committing errors, preventing people from overstepping their limits. Just like even a very friendly country has got nuclear missiles as a nuclear deterrent. In the same way, these weapons of the gods, the moment we see those weapons, the axe and the noose and all that, even a person who is thinking of committing a mistake, he will think twice. Drishyante rathamarudha, devya krodha samakula, dharayantya yudhanitham, devanam chahitayavai. Why is Devi having so many weapons? Devi means Shakti. We don't need to imagine some goddess in a shining form. It can be a woman in the present form, in our present times also. Devi does so many avatars, but all her avatars don't become famous. They're all very insignificantly also they can be happening. These forms, these weapons are all there. Dharayanti, for what purpose is she holding these weapons? Devanam cha hitayavai. Before we understand about Devi, we should understand who are Devas. Devas are our 5 sense organs. Sense organ of perception, sense organ of Shabda, hearing, Rupa, sight, Rasa, Gandha, Sabda, Sparsha, Rupa, Rasa, Gandha. All the 5 sense organs are Devas. Through the 5 sense organs, we are being bombarded with many visuals and many things happening around us. And all that information is going inside, it is causing fear. And that fear, Devi is setting right through her 5 sense organs of action. The 5 sense organs of action is Devi. And the 5 sense organs of action, perception are all the Devas. So nothing prevents from Devi from holding any weapon that she wants to do and destroying whatever needs to be destroyed in this world for the protection of Devas. Devanam cha hitayavai. Then in this Kavacham, we said, Namastestu Maharaudre, Mahaghora Parakrame, Mahabale Mahotsake, Mahabhaya Vinashini, Maharaudre. Don't think Devi is just a sattvic person smiling in all our temples and showing the Abhaya Varada Hasta, holding the lotus in her hand and blessing us. Whenever there is a need to get angry, nothing can stop her from getting angry. She's Maharaudra. This is all Shastra Pramana. How come you are getting so angry? No, the Shastras provide that facility, the leeway. When things are going beyond control, nothing stops us from expressing that anger. Maharaudra. Mahagora Parakrame. She's Mahagora means Rajas. Mahagora means she can go to the extreme limits of Rajas when she has to quell the Daityas, when she has to quell the Asuras. Parakrama, Para-akrama. Akrama means holding on to others. Akramana means to stop somebody from doing something. It is basically, punching and blocking. Devi is able to do that. Parakrami. Mahabale. She's got extreme strength and power. Maha Utsahe. Devi is not somebody who's sitting dull like this. Oh, how's life? Chalta hai. Devi is not like that. Maha Utsahe. She's always sitting up and erect, and anywhere can you see in any temple in this mudra, Devi is sitting with no strength and no power. She's Maha Utsaha. Maha Bhaya Vinashini. Bhaya means ordinary fear. Maha Bhaya means fear of death. Devi is able to remove the death, the fear of death in us. So we pray to Devi. Trahi mam Devi dushprekshe shatrunam bhayavardhini prachyam rakshatu mam maindrim agneyam agnidevata. So we are seeking Devi's protection from all sides. When you say Devi, exactly who is Devi and in what form is she going to protect us? She is that prana shakti that surrounds us everywhere. But when we don't really think about that prana shakti, when we don't really do any sadhana to acquire that prana shakti, or we don't have that love for Devi or Bhagavan also, our apana shakti will increase. Our apana shakti is our own, whatever we are letting out in our little and limited life as a jiva, the apana will get filled. That is the cause for disease. That is the cause for this pandemic everywhere in this world. We are suffering because of the pandemic. It is nothing but the apana of all our chemicals, all our the satellites, whatever we are having, the computers and the mobile phones and the transactions in the atmosphere that is happening. It is producing a field of energy which is very negative and which is a host for all kinds of viruses and all that. So the only way to clean our atmosphere, the only way to keep ourselves healthy and happy is to reduce this apana energy and increase the energy of Devi, which is prana. Trahi mam Devi dushprekshe shatrunam bhayavardhini. Dushpreksha, you are very difficult to see Devi, and you increase the fear among our enemies. Prachyam rakshatu mamaindri, protect me from the eastern direction. Agneyam Agnidevata, from the Agneya. Paschima is the west, Prachi is the east, Dakshina is the south, northeast, southeast is Agneya. Agneyam Agnidevata, Dakshinevatu Varaki, from the southern direction, O Varaki, protect me. Nairutyam, southwest. Nairutyam Khadgadarini, you are holding the Khadga, protect me from the southern, southwestern direction. Pratichyam Varuni Rakshet, from the western direction. Varuni, protect me. Vayavyam Mrigavahini, from the northwestern direction. Vayu Devata, Vayavyam Mrigavahini, you're riding on the deer, protect me. Udichyam, in the northern direction. Kaumari, protect me. In the northeast, Ishanyam Shuladharini. Urdhvam Brahmani me Rakshet, from the northern direction, right from top of my head. Brahmani, Saraswati, the energy of Brahma she has got. Please protect me. Adastad Vaishnavi Tata, from below me, Vaishnavi protect me. Evam Dashadisho Rakshet, from all 10 directions. So, northeast, southwest, northeast, northwest, southeast, southwest, up and down, 10 directions. Rakshet Chamunda Shavavahana, Chamunda, who's riding, whose Vahana or vehicle is the Shava, the dead body. Chamunda, please protect me. Jaya me Jagratah Patu, Vijaya Patu Prishtataha. Jaya, the Devi who brings victory all the time, protect me from the front. Vijaya, the Devi who is supporting Jaya, always victory. May she protect me from behind. Shikam Udyotini Rakshet, Uma Murdni Vyavastita, different parts of the Udyotini. Please protect my Shikha, the top part of the body. Anybody who does martial arts, even Burma and other arts, Kalari also, you know there are different soft spots in the body. So all the spots are very subtle energy centers which needs to be protected. Shikam Udyotini Rakshet. Uma Murdni Vyavastita. Please protect the top of my head. Mala Dhari Lalate Cha. Lalata. Even this wearing of kumkum, chandan, vibhuti and all those are actually protective kavacham for the body. This lalata is a place, this lalata palaka is a place where thoughts from outside can enter into us. Our thoughts are actually here, but when thoughts from outside are more powerful, they can enter it. That is the reason why conversion alone is possible. Even if people are actually keeping their forehead placed, this is like a blackboard for us. whatever we are, whoever we are, am I energetic? There is the kumkum of Durga. Am I knowledgeable that this body is going to go into bhasma? Yes, the vibhuti of Shiva is there on my forehead. Am I taking in the coolness of Mahavishnu? The Chandan is there. Am I protected by Devi? The bhasma of the Chandi Homa or the Gayatri Homa is there on my forehead. Lalata Palakam should be a protected space. So, Ajita, where am I? Sorry. Dakshine Udichyam Evam Dashadisho Jaya Mechagrata Patu Vijaya Patu Agrata Patu. Jaya protect my front. Vijaya protects me from behind. Ajita Vama Parshvetu. Vama Parshve on my left hand side. Dakshine to Aparajita. May Aparajita, who is not quelled by anybody in the army, nobody can win over her. May she protect my right side. Shikam Udyotini Rakshet. Shika means my the Shika. Rakshet. Uma Murdni Vyavastita. Maladhari Lalatecha. Bruvau Rakshet. The two eyebrows. May Yashaswini, the one of great fame, may she protect my eyebrows. In every part of the week, this is not just some parts of the body where we cut our hair any way we like, or we do any fashion we like, or we can remove our eyebrows completely and draw eyebrow pencils. Everywhere Devi is sitting in our body. Bruvau Rakshet, Yashaswini, Trinetracha. We have two eyes which we can see. The third eye we cannot see, but we have it. Trinetracha, Bruvor Madhye, Yamaghantacha, Nasika, Yamaghanta, may she protect my nose. Shankini, Chakshishor Madhye, the eyes, the place between the eyes, may Shankini protect. Shrotrayor Dwaravasini, may she protect both my ears. Kapolau Kalika Rakshit, may Kalika sit on my cheeks and protect my cheek. Karna Mule to Shankari, my ear lobes, may they be protected by Shankari. Nasikayam Sugandhacha, Uttaroshte Charchika, Uttaroshta, may Sugandha, may good fragrance stay in my Nasika, in my nose. And Uttaroshta, the upper lip, may Charchika protect my upper lip. Adharecha Amritakala, may Amritakala protect my lower lip. Jihvayam Cha Saraswati, may Saraswati alone stay in my lips. May Saraswati protect my lips, my tongue, so that I speak only words of wisdom all the time. Dantam Rakshatu Kaumari, Kumara Shakti is there with Kaumari. May she protect my teeth. Kantha Deshe to Chandika, Kantha Desham, this neck region, may Chandika protect. Chandikam Chitra Ghantacha, Ghantikam Chitra Ghantacha, Mahamaya Cha Taluke, the throat and the inner regions of the throat, may Chitra Ghanta and Mahamaya protect them. The soft tongue, it is inside in the throat, Taluka. Kamakshi Chipukam Raksheta, may Kamakshi protect my chin. The beauty of the chin is there. You can see in Bhagavan Shri Krishna, who plays the flute, is every part of the body, wherever there is beauty, it means the Devata is guarding that place. Kamakshi Chipuk, just imagine, we take our body for granted, every part of our body for granted. But even when we cut our little finger, we cut it a little deep when we cut our nails, the whole day something is paining. So how many devatas are actually guarding our body? And we are only praying to those devatas who are already there. We are praying to them, we are worshipping them, we are remembering them and seeking their blessings. Grivayam Bhadrakalicha, may my griva, my neck, be protected by Bhadrakali. Prishta Vamshe Dhanurdhari, the behind part of my neck, may Dhanurdhari, the one who holds a bow and arrow, may she protect. Neela Griva Bahikanthe, Nalikam Nalakubari, Nalika, this throat region and this esophagus passage. Nalikam, may she protect. Nalakubari protect. Bahikanthe Neela Griva, may she protect my outside part of my throat. Skandayo Khadgini Rakshet Khadgini, the one who has the khadga, the weapons. Where is there any scope for fear when the people, the devas who are the devis who are having all these weapons are there in our own body? That is what this Devi Kavacham is saying. We don't need to go anywhere for help. We don't need to shout God, help, or anything when in danger. We just have to invoke these powers from within us. Skandayoho khadgini rakshet bahu me vajradharini bahu. May my arms be protected by vajradharini, the one who holds the vajra. Hastayoho dandini rakshet, both my hands. May dandini, the one who has the danda, Yama, from Yama she got it. Rakshet Ambika cha anguli shucha, all my fingers. May Ambika protect my fingers. Nakhan, see every part of the body is here. Nakhan Shuleshwari rakshet, Kukshau rakshet Kuleshwari. Kuksha is the stomach region. Kuleshwari, the one who is giving birth to the Kula, may she protect my Kukshi region. Stanau Rakshen Mahadevi, the breast, the chest, may Mahadevi protect my breast region. Manaha Shoka Vinashini, Mahadevi is the one who removes the shoka of my manas, of my mind. Hridaye Lalita Devi, may my hridayam, my heart be protected by Lalita Devi. Udara, my stomach region, may Shuladharini protect my stomach. Nabhau cha Kamini rakshet, Kamini is the giver of all boons, may she protect my Nabhi. Every part of the body, all the sensitive parts of the body which are prone to attack. Attack is not necessarily physical attack. There can be subtle attack also. Subtle attack, we hear of so many things like, I don't want to mention all these names, they're not very auspicious things to mention. But when people hate you, they can do many things with mantra and tantra also to spoil our system, to make our mind go crazy, and to make things function badly in our system, to create unfavorable surroundings for that. Everything is possible and everything is still being practiced even in this 21st century. So more than any time, we need Devi's protection now more and more. Putana Kamika Medham. So Guhyam Gukheshwari Tata, the feminine reproductive organ, may Gukheshwari protect that. Putana Kamika. Kamika, may Putana Devi, may she protect the masculine reproductory organ. Gude Mahishavahini. Guda is the anal passage. May Mahishavahini, the Devi who rides on the Mahishavahana, may she protect that passage. Katyam Bhagavati Rakshit Kati. Kati means the waist region. May Bhagavati, all this should be taught to our children. This Devi Kavacham should be taught to our children. We parents cannot go with our children wherever they go. The attack is not only coming from physical forces, as I said. The attack is coming from many, many ways. And the attack is coming from subtle ways. Attack is coming in the form of conversions. Attack is coming in the form of, love jihads. Attack is coming in the form of, bad habits. Attack is coming in the form of addictions. And attack is coming in the form of, confusing other people, not making them do things. So Devi is the only person who can protect. Devi means all gods are the form of Devi only. But here we are studying the Devi Kavacham. Janghe Mahabala Rakshet Januni, Katyam Bhagavati Rakshet. May Bhagavati protect the waist region. Januni, Janu is the knees. Vindhyavasini, the Devi who is staying in the Vindhyas, may she protect both my knees. Janghe is that shin region. Mahabala, Devi who has great strength, may she protect my Jangha. Rakshet, Sarvakama Pradayini, who is that person who can give everybody's all karma? She is in our body. We don't need to go anywhere to worship anybody. Whatever goddess we want to worship is there in our body, residing in our body all the time. From the moment we are born till the moment we pass on to the next world, Devi is there completely with us. Gulpayor Narasimhi cha Narasimhi, the form of Narasimha, the Shakti of Narasimha is there with Narasimhi. May she protect my Gulpa. Gulpa is the ankles. Pada Prushtetu Taijasi. May Devi called Taijasi, who has got a lot of tejas, protect my Pada Prishta. Pada Prishta means the top part of the leg. Pada Anguli Shucha Shri Rakshet. May Shri protect my toes. Pada Adhastalavasini. Where is this Shri residing? Pada Adhastalavasini. She is residing beneath the feet. We are asking for Sakshat Bhuma Devi's grace. Bhuma Devi's form is only all these Devis that we are listening to now. Pada Adhastalavasini. Who is staying beneath our feet? Sakshat Bhuma Devi. Nakhan Damshra Karalicha. All my toes, toe nails, may they be protected by Damshra Karali. Damshra Karali means she has got gory teeth. Kesham Shaiva Urdhvakeshini, name a Kesha. We are worried, we going for hair transplant. We don't need to do anything or fight against anything. We just have to pray to Devi and she will bless us and protect our hair. Roma Kupeshi, where all this, our rishis are so beautiful. Brahma Rishi is the person who has written this. Roma Kupeshu, all the hair pits, may Kauberi, Kubera's Shakti is there with Kauberi, may she protect. Twacham Vagishwari Tatha, Vag Ishwari, the Lord of speech, may she protect my skin. Raktamajjava Mamsan Yasti Medhamsi, Parvati, Shiva's wife Parvati, may she protect my Rakta. Majja, the bone marrow, ava rakta majjava, vasa mamsa, mamsa is a flesh, bone marrow, rakta, rakta, mamsa, medhas, pittam, pittam cha mukuteshwari, sorry, antrani is my intestines, kalaratri, may kalaratri protect my intestines. Whenever we have any kind of an acidity and all those problems, we can always invoke. We don't need to invoke everybody individually. We chant the Devi Kavacham every day. All parts of our body will be protected. Antrani Kala Ratrischa. Pittam cha Mukuteshwari. May my bile be protected by Mukuteshwari, the Devi who has got the Mukuta or the diadem on her head. Padmavati Padmakoshi. Padmakosha is the heart center. The feeling center of me. May Padmavati protect that. Kape Chudamani Stata, may Chudamani protect my kapha. The Vata, Pitta and Kapha. Padma Kosha is the Vata Kosha area where the air is there. Jwala Mukhi Nakhajwalam. Nakhajwala, all the shining. See what all the Rishi is saying. Nakhajwala means not Nakha. The shine, the sheen of my nails. May Jwalamukhi Devi protect. Jwalamukhi is there in Kashmir, near Siddhabari in Himachal. Jwalamukhi Devi is worshipped by all these Muslim rulers also. She is in the form of fire. 7 fires are burning beneath the earth, and that is the form of Jwalamukhi Devi. Shukram Brahmani me rakshet. The semen, the vital energy of man, may Brahmani protect that. Rakshet. Chaya. Chatreshwari Tata, may Chatreshwari, the Devi who holds the umbrella, may she protect my shadow. You know, when some danger is very near and it is almost touching our shadow, that is the time we really get scared. So we are praying to Chatreshwari to protect even our shadow. Ahankaram Mano Buddhim Rakshen me Dharmadharini, Dharmadharini, the one who upholds Dharma. Please protect my Ahankara. Ahankara means not that sense of I am doing this, not that. Ahankara means I. When you say I am this person, I am coming, I am going. It's a very sattvic ahankara. Everybody has got that ahankara. That needs to be, ahankara is our own little pocket of energy that we carry with us. It's our ahankara. That is responsible for all our actions, whatever we do. Mana. Mana means the mind. The objective mind is the manas. Buddhi is a subjective mind. The mind that looks into the world outside through the 5 sense organs is called manas. Buddhi is the mind that looks within and expresses through the 5 organs of action. Vak, Pani, Pada, Payu and Upastha. Rakshin me Dharmadharini. May Dharmadharini protect all this. Prana, Apana, Tatha, Vyanam, Udanam, Cha Samanakam. Vajra Hastacha me Rakshin. May the one who holds the Vajra Ayudha please protect my prana. Prana is the life energy. Apana, the energy that goes out of me. Vyana, the circulatory force. Samana, the digestive force. Udana, the uplifting force, whatever nice uplifting thoughts I get is because of Udana. When the death finally happens, the Sukshma Sharira is carried up and out of this body into the higher regions by this Udana Vayu. Vajrahasta cha me rakshit pranam kalyana shobhana rase rupe cha gandhe cha sparshe shabde cha yogini. So shabda, sparsha, rupa, rasa, gandha, my ability to see, my ability to hear, my ability to smell well, my ability to taste, my ability to feel, may yogini protect all that. Sattvam rajastam aschaiva rakshe narayani sada. May Narayani protect my sattva guna. May Narayani protect my rajoguna. May Narayani protect my tamoguna, sattvam, rajas and tamas. We have all the three gunas. When we are studying, reading, writing and being very calm, we are in sattva guna. When we are very active, dynamic and very possessive or ambitious, driven by ambition and courage for wanting name and fame, we are in Rajoguna. When we are sleepy, when we are not alert, when we are insensitive, when we just close in on people, when we are depressed, we are in Tamoguna. May Devi protect all these three gunas. All the three gunas are essential for us, but the permutation combination has to be just right. When the permutation and combination of the three gunas go haywire, then we land into trouble. Ayu rakshatu Varahi, dharmam rakshatu Vaishnavi. May Varahi, the goddess with that snout, born out of the energy of Varaha, she protect my lifespan. May she give me lifespan. Vaishnavi Devi, the power of Vishnu, may she protect my dharma. Dharma means my ability to do good work is dharma. May Vaishnavi Devi protect that. Yasha Kirtim cha Lakshmim cha Dhanam Vidyam cha Chakrini. Chakrini, may she protect my fame. May I always have good fame. May I always have good kirti. May people sing my praise in the right way. Lakshmi, may I have my wealth be protected. My dhanam, Lakshmi means my goals in life. Vidya, my knowledge, may everything be protected by Chakrini. Gotram, my lineage. Kaushika Gotram, Harita Gotram, Srivatsa Gotram, Maudgalya Gotram, Kaundinya Gotram, whatever Gotram we belong to, or Shiva Gotram, Vishnu Gotram, Kashyapa Gotram, all the Gotram that we have, the people coming in our Gotra, may Rakshit Gotram Indrani, may Indrani protect my Gotram, the power of Indra, Indrani. Rakshit Pashun may Raksha Chandike, may Chandika Devi protect all the animals that I have. In those days they had cows, today we have dogs and cats and fish and other things we have. So may Chandika protect all the animals that I have. Putran Rakshen Mahalakshmi, may Mahalakshmi protect my children. And Bharyam Rakshatu Bhairavi. So thinking the husband is singing this, he is saying, may Bhairavi protect my wife. The wife is chanting this, then Bharta has to be protected by Bhairavi. Panthanam Supatha Rakshet, may my way be protected. Wherever we go, we need Bhagavan's protection along the way. Otherwise, so many troubles can happen in the form of traffic jams also, in the form of the unwanted people coming in our way. Panthanam Supatha Rakshet, Margam Kshemakari Tatha. You are the one who protects my way, who protects my passage in life. Wherever I go, whatever I do, you are the one who makes way for that and protects the way. Protecting the way means people who build our roads are all Devi Swarupa only. So they are people who maintain our roads, the highways department, the roadways departments are all Devi Shakti is only operating through them. Rajadware Mahalakshmi. When I enter into the Rajadwara, two people they say whether it's a king or the tiger, you should not voluntarily want to go to them unless you are called, and not be too excited also, because anything can happen when you meet the king. It is a kshanat chittam kshanat pittam. In one moment, even death can happen. So if at all I have to enter into the palace of the king, Mahalakshmi, please protect me. Vijaya Sarvata Sthita, may Vijaya protect me. Vijaya staying everywhere. May she protect me. Rakshahinam to all the Devis, the names of Devis are also the different pranas that are there in the body. Vijay, the prana called Dhananjaya is everywhere, present everywhere in the body. One of the names of Arjuna is Dhananjaya, and another name of Arjuna is also Vijaya. So Vijaya Sarvata Sthita. This Dhananjaya Vayu is there all over the body. May she protect me. Rakshahinam tu yatsthanam Devi. Rakshahinam tu yatsthanam Varjitam Kavachena tu. I have told this Kavacham now. I have mentioned almost all parts of my body, but there may be many parts that are not mentioned. We call it the Achilles' heel. Even Krishna also got hurt in that part only. Achilles was a person, his mother, when he was born, she put him upside down, held him by the legs and dipped him in the river Styx. And then because anybody dipped in the river Styx, they will become immortal. But since she was holding him by that leg, that part alone did not get wet in the river. And so that is called the Achilles' heel. If he was hit in the heel, then he will die. So that way, Rakshahinam tu yatsthanam varjitam kavachetam tu. By mistake, if I have left out some part of my body, which is unprotected, please protect Tatsarvam Raksha Me Devi, Jayanti Papanashini. May Jayanti protect even that part of the body, which I have not mentioned in this prayer of mine. Jayanti, who is Jayanti? She is the one who destroys all my sins. Jayanti is Papanashini. Padamekam, this is very important. If I want goodness in my life for myself, Padamekam na gachetu yadi chet shubhamatmanah. If you wish, if I wish shubham or all auspiciousness for myself, don't take even one step forward without chanting the Devi Kavacham in the morning. Don't step out of your house without chanting the Devi Kavacham in the morning. So every Navaratri, I will read this. And after every Navaratri, I will start chanting the Devi Kavacham for some time. Then afterwards, it will go to some other Kavacham. Then I will forget the Kavacham. It is very important to continuously chant in our, make Kavacham, chanting the Kavacham as part of our sadhana. It can be Devi Kavacham. Now we are learning for Navaratri. It's very good. It is Narayana Kavacham is there. Rudra Kavacham is there. Shiva Kavacham is there. Shashti Kavacham is there. Skanda Guru Kavacham is there. Many Kavachams are there. But Devi Kavacham is indeed very powerful because the Prana Swarupini is Devi. Padamekam na gachetu. Don't even take one step forward. Kavachena vruto nitya avrataha. So wherever we go, whether it is war or whether it is, even for an interview, or even if you see dancers, when they are going for their program, they will be fully covered with jewels, all that. Even they will put a white cloth and cover themselves and only go by car to the venue where they have to go. Even Ramakrishna Paramahamsa will say, Kavacham is not only needed to protect us, even when there's so much of energy inside us due to sadhana, that energy is burning bright. And Ramakrishna Paramahamsa used to do that. There's so much of vital energy is there, which is, the radiance is so much that he used to put a cloth around him and cover himself to reduce the amount of energy that is revealed outside. It is not the question of not showing off or anything. It is just that it is not required to expose ourselves everywhere we go. And Kavacham is a very, very powerful way whenever we go in crowds. Like, in fact, what are we talking about all the time to prevent us from the pandemic? We are talking about Mukha Kavacham, face mask only. It is not just in English, it is called mask. Mask and Kavacham are not the same. Mask is just a layer, but Kavacham means it's something that protects us. Kavachena avrataha nityam. Protect yourself with this Kavacham. Yatra yatraiva gacchati. Wherever you go, whatever you do, please protect yourself, like how our government is making announcements. Don't forget to wear your mask. So don't forget to chant Devi Kavacham when you go. Tatra tatrartha labhascha vijaya sarvakamikaha tatra tartha artha labhaha. Wherever you take the Kavacham and go, whatever you are seeking, everything you will get, you will find. Whatever you want to achieve, you will be able to achieve. Vijayaha sarvakamikaha. All my wishes will be fulfilled because Kavacham is something that prevents my energy from leaking out to the 10 sense organs, the 5 sense organs of perception and the five sense organs of action, and the physical body also. Generally, the body itself can be energy. When you meet how energy can be drained in many strange ways. When you meet an alcoholic person and talk to them, the vital energy in their body will draw out all your energy. We talk of people like vampires. Vampires are all creatures that are existing as Sukshma Sharira. We cannot see them. They will be dressed in nice good coat and all. They may be an energy vampire. They will just simply, you can experience that. Situations where you feel your energy is completely sucked out. To prevent all that, we have to chant the Kavacham. Yam yam chintayate kamam tam tam prapnoti nishchitam. When you chant the Kavacham regularly, whatever desires we have, whatever good desires we entertain in our heart, everything we will get it surely. Paramaishwarya matulam prapsyate bhutale puman. In this bhutala, in this earth, we will get Paramaishwaryam or supreme lordship. We will become a king, a lord, a master of controlling many people, not out of power, but out of love. Nirbhayo jayate martyaha. Martya, human beings will become nirbhaya. They will be free of fear, because when you are very well protected physically, emotionally, mentally, and spiritually, where is the need to fear in this world? When God is there, why fear when God is here? Nirbhayo jayate martyaha. Sangrameshu aparajitaha. In Sangrama, in an army, they will become aparajitaha. Nobody can win over them in an army. Trailokyetu bhavet pujaha. In all the three worlds, the waking state, in the dream state, and in the deep sleep state, they will become puja. Puja means people who are worthy of worship. Kavachena avrata puman. Who will be worthy of worship? The one person who is wearing this kavacham all the time will be worthy of worship. Idam tudevya kavacham deva namapi durlabam. So, the very key note here is, all of us are listening to this kavacham, and we take it for granted that what it is there in Durga Saptashati, it is the beginning of the Durga Saptashati. What the big deal? It is written and it's printed in so many books. But Devanam api durlabham. It is very, very rare even for the Devas to get this kavacham. We human beings are getting it. Yappatet prayato nityam trisandhyam shraddhayam vitaha. The one who prayataha, with great yatnam, with great effort. Why effort is required is, anything that good you want to do, there will be many obstacles that prevent us from doing. Even if you say every day I want to chant kavacham once, you will do it for 10 days, and 11th day we will forget, we won't have the time, we will be busy with something else. So we need to put a lot of effort to do this. Trisandhyam, 3 times a day. Shraddhaya anvitaha. Shraddha means having faith that yes, all this is said, this is all, Apta Pramana is there, Shabda Pramana is there, meaning it is truly there. When I chant this kavacham and I say, Devi will protect me, if I just believe, okay, idam tu devya kavacham deva namapi durlabham, okay, what's a big deal? We just chant it like a routine, then that is not Shraddha. Shraddha means with the feeling of the meaning, and really that I need protection of Devi, and I'm seeking that. With that, if it is chanted, Daivi Kala Bhavet, tasya, such a person will have Daivi Kala, will become an amsham of Devi herself. Bhavet tasya Trailokyeshu aparajitaha. Such a person will be invincible in all the 3 worlds. Jived varshashatam sagram apamrityu vivarjitaha. We don't need to worry about anything. They will live for 100 years, and they will have no apamrityu. Death will not come anytime in between. Nashyanti vyadhaya sarve, whatever vyadhi, corona, mahamari, or whatever diseases that we have. Nashyanti vyadayaha sarve, luta vispotakadeyaha, leprosy and other kinds of diseases will go away when we chant the kavacham. How do I know it is true? How do I know if I eat this medicine, the disease will go away? How do I know if it is true? I have to eat the medicine and experience it myself. Only then I know it is true. Just we talk about research, and we has the vaccine been tested on so many people? We ask all those questions. Then how do we know this kavacham will do all this? It has been tested on so many people, so many lifetimes, so many janmas, and so many generations before I've chanted this kavacham. Stavaram jangamam chaiva kritrimam chapi yadvisham. Stavaram. whatever the beings that are there steadily, like trees and plants, Jangamam, the moving beings, and all the poisonous beings, whatever is having Visham, Abhichara yajnas, people do. Abhichara yajna means it is not we do yajnas for the sake of lokakshema, so that everything should be happening good in the world. But there are people who want to win over some property or who want to make some marriage happen. They do abhichara. In Ramayana, you have those kind of yajnas being performed on Rama by Ravana's Meghanada and others. So they do such yajnas. People are there to do those yajnas even now. It is there in our shastras. All information is there, all information is there on the internet. Who wants to do what with that information is up to them. We cannot stop anybody. Abhicharani, Sarvani, Mantra, Yantrani, Bhutali, whatever mantras, whatever spells are there, whatever yantras, some diagrams are drawn and kept under people's houses. These are not humbug or anything. If people should not ask, how can it be possible that you draw a diagram and everything will go away? It is impossible. If you want to know, you should research and find out and come up with research and do it, rather than questioning the sanctity or questioning the wisdom of all these measures. Mantra yantrani bhutale. Bhuchar, mantra means, once I was asking a Purohit, a Vadya, Vivaha is, what is the power of mantra? And when Vivaha is happening, you say, Mangalyam tantu nanena, mama jivana hetuna. What is the power that binds the two people? It is only the Varta, the mantra of the Purohits who are sitting there in front of the Yajna. That is the binding force. It is not anything else, not in the registration, not the signature, nothing. The mantra which is chanted, and you say to somebody, you say good morning. You may not be very happy that day, but when somebody says good morning, that word good morning has got a power to really make your morning you feel good that day because you heard the word good morning. That's called mantra. Manana trayate iti mantraha. Mantra means sound. With sound, you are generating certain energies. Yantra means with diagrams, you are generating certain energies. Bhutale, bhucharaha, kecharaha. There are beings that are traveling on earth. There are beings that are traveling on the sky. That is why they say, when you have wet clothes, especially clothes of babies, newborn babies, clothes of young girls, young women, you should not put wet clothes for drying in the terrace at night time. Always they should dry only in the sunshine, because there are kecharas, beings that are traveling on the sky, and unwanted beings can come and live in those clothes, and then they can give us trouble. Jalajaha, the beings that are born in the water. Upadeshikaha, people who give us wrong upadesha in our life. Sahaja, Kula, Jamala, Dakini, Shakini, Tata. Sahaja means certain things are born along with us, negativities that are born along with us. Kulaja, some negativities in our family, like parental diseases, family diseases, chronic diseases, illnesses. Mala, Dakini, Shakini. Dakini and Shakini are all different types of energies. Antarikshacha, Ghora, Dakin, Yascha Mahabalaha. All the Ghora means the powerful and the violent kind of beings in the Antariksha, the interspace. Graha, Bhuta, Pishachascha, Yaksha, Gandharva, Rakshasaha, Brahma, Rakshasa, Vetalaha, Kushmanda, Bhairavadeyaha. When I read these names itself, you know how powerful and how fearsome they are. From these beings also, the Devi Kavacham will protect. Nashyanti, Darshanatasya, Kavache, Hriti Samsrite. For the person in whose heart the Devi Kavacham is there, all these beings, by their darshana, Par, Kaka, Kaka, Kanagavil, Kaka, Noka, Noka, Nodil, Noka, Parka, Taka, Taka, Talayara, Taka, then Mutta, Mutta, Mudigal Pidingida, like that, no? Bhucharaha, Kecharaha, Chaiva, Jalajaha, Cha, Upadeshikaha. All these people, they will be destroyed by the person, by the very sight of the person who is chanting the Devi Kavacham. Mano, then how will they be in this world? Mana unnati bhavet rajnyaha. They will become a king of the place. Mana unnati. Mana means everybody will lift them up and look at them very high. Put them in a high pedestal and worship them. Tejo vruddhikaram param Our tejas will improve when we chant. Tejas means the light, the brightness of our personality will improve. Yashasa vardhate sopi kirti mandita bhutale, our fame will increase. Japet saptashatim chandim krutva tu kavacham pura. When we do the Durga Saptashati Japam, before which we chant the Kavacham, Yavat Bhumandalam Datte Sashaila Vanakananam Tavat Tishtati Medinyam Santati Putra Potriki. They will live very happily with Putra, Pautra, sons and grandsons in this world. Dehante Paramamsthanam Yatsurairapi Durlabham. After they leave this body, they will reach the supreme place. Yam Yam Vapismaran Bhavam Tyajatyante Kalevaram Tam Tam Evaiti Kaunteya Sada Tadbhava Bhavitaha. Whatever we think when we leave the body, we will go to that place. When we think about Devi and the Devi Kavacham, when the Kavacham is so strong in us, we will think about Devi and we will go to the places where gods are living. Dullabham, which is very rare to get. Prapnoti Purusho Nityam Mahamaya Prasadataha. They will get the prasada of Mahamaya. Labate Paramam Rupam. They will get supreme form, beautiful form. And where will they be? Shivena Saha Modate. They will always be very happy. Why this Palashruti said this? Mandopi Karyam Phalam Anudishya Mandopi na Pravartate. Even a Manda Buddhi person will not move forward unless they know what result they're going to get because of their actions. So if I have to chant something daily, the mind should have the purpose for which it should chant. The mind should really love to do it. And these are all the reasons why the mind will love to chant the Devi Kavacham. Maybe chant the Devi Kavacham daily in our lives. Maybe be protected by the grace of Devi. And maybe shine forth like Sakshat Devi on this world. Hari Om. Thank you, Kalari Trust, for giving me this lovely opportunity. You made me think on the lines of Kalari, offense and defense, and Kavacham and all that. Thank you so much. Hari Om.
Thank you very much, Amma, for accepting at such short notice and giving us such a beautiful talk. With this, we come to the end of our Navratri lectures for 2021, and it has been a pleasure to have you. Thank you. Namaste.
Hari Om. Hari Om.